Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I have your Boxycharm May spoilers. So if you want to see the newest item confirmed in our box, stay tuned. We have the Ink Gel Eyeliner by Pretty Vulgar, which looks amazing. And we have also been told that we are getting the Cover FX Blurring Primer, which I'm so excited about. Up till now, we've only seen pictures that have been leaked of the brush set that we'll be receiving. But today I have for you confirmed that we're getting the Aesthetica Pro Series 3-piece eye and brow brush set. It comes with the full-length spoolie, an angled eyeliner and eyebrow brush, and a fine-tipped eyeliner brush. Comment down below which item you're most excited about. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for all my spoilers, unboxings, and tutorials. Till next time, guys.